Bula everyone, we're Team Solar Fiji. We're here in Nananu-i-ra just to install solar system for backpackers hotel, providing clean, renewable energy.
So we're here today installing 20 panels for JA panels. They are tier 1 China product. One module is 265 watts. The warranty for this JA solar panels is 25 years. Right now they're running on a generator. So when we hook up the solar system, so they'll be full time on solar and generator will stand by for them.
Behind me there's a cottage here. We've installed 4 panels to give the power for 2 houses, 2 cottages, and which enable you to charge your laptops and your phones, and you have 2 freezers there with the installation that we've just done with 4 panels. So these backpackers here, they're doing a positive thing for the environment.
Yeah, here we are in the control board. This is their inverter. It's a quad 48 10 kilowatt system they're using, and all the gears, all the MPPTs, controllers, and we're gonna put the monitoring system here later, and you can see the live feed from the panel to the battery, and they got a 200 amp hour bank here.
I'm Rob. My wife and I run Bethams Beach Cottages. We've been living with putting the generator off 10 o'clock at night for 26 years. We came across these guys, Solar Fiji, largely because I could understand their language, and they had done an installation for Liz Morris in Nandi, who we knew, and she was very happy. Everything else has been good. The guys have been here for 2 days now, good guys to work with, and lovely looking gear, and I'm confident if they're confident.
Main issue in the whole universe is climate change. So this is one of the things we can combat climate change. We can reduce carbon emissions from the generator. So we are helping the environment to be friendly and sustainable.
Thanks very much for watching. We are Solar Fiji, Vinaka.